Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of the Orly's Retrowave collection. I almost feel like nobody is going to remember this collection soon because I am so late to the game, but I did purchase these polishes through Orly's Color Pass and I really like the color, so it took me a little longer to bring you the swatches because I was swatching other polishes, but I purchased all of these and I am so happy that I do own this collection. The colors are absolutely beautiful and you can still put your hands on it if you are interested, and really getting colors through Orly Color Pass, which is a yearly subscription, is working out the best for me rather than trying to hunt down the collections. Their brush is awesome. I really like that as well, and the formula on these polishes is absolutely great. 2 to 3 coats, some of them could be almost 1 coaters. It really just depends on your application. If you do enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. So let me jump into the swatches now, and then I will come back and just share my thoughts on the entire collection with you. Alright guys, I'm in love with this collection as much as I am. I'm blown away. I mean, for a mainstream nail polish, Orly is doing an amazing job. They actually have 80 milliliter bottles. The brush, as I mentioned earlier, is a dream to work with, and the formula on these, even though they are neons, they are really good. I mean, I heard people talking about Soulfly, that's the green one, and I was like, yeah, okay, it's a fine color, but oh my gosh, I mean, the camera is not giving justice to any of these polishes. They are so beautiful in your eyes, bright colors. Even the dark ones are so shiny and beautiful. I'm blown away. So definitely get this collection. Every single color in it is spot on, and even oh snap, it's a yellow neon, but it's really good. I mean, the yellow pigment in these polishes is always tricky, but opaque on 3 coats, and I really love the coverage. None of them need white on these. So Orly, all my thumbs up. This is an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful and well done collection. And you can wear these colors even, you know, in fall, like the purple and the blues are really neutral colors that will complement you also in the colder months. So let me know what are your thoughts. If you own any of these polishes, as I said, you need them. You really need this collection. If you don't want any other polishes from Orly, please do yourself a favor and get this collection because it is beautiful. Alright, so that's it for my rambling. If you have any questions on any of them, please leave them for me in the comment section, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.